Exactly.
That's nice. I wouldn't even consider that type of, let's say, how do you say, strategy or
Yes. Yes.
strategy? Yeah.
Strategy.
And then with the extra cash that you now have, you go for another property, right?
For another property, a bigger property, you diversify. I mean, what we want to do by the end of the day is definitely create a we want to get into big multifamily properties, right? So right now we're doing small single families or small multifamilies, but we want to create by the end of the day start building wealth. And what's wealth? And that's something I touch about in the beginning and I want to emphasize a little bit. And something I learned in this industry is that a lot of people and a lot of chemical engineers, I believe so, in the industry are financially rich, or you will be by the end of your career financially rich. What's that? You will have a job that will actually pay you a lot of money to do it. But that doesn't mean that it will continue to, even if you get fired or if you get tired and change the industry, you're tied to that job. And for me, creating wealth is creating this passive income, having assets that will generate that riches without even have to be there or do something about it. So for me, real estate, that's how you create the freedom and that's how you create wealth by the end of the year. And as you said, you maybe sell the properties, but currently we're focused on renting them out and holding them. Because
Okay.
that way, by the end of the day, your mortgage gets paid by somebody else. The property normally tends to increase in value and you create wealth because at the end of the day the rents goes up, the mortgage goes down, the property value goes up, and in 10 years that property is going to worth a lot more, and that will create wealth to me, my family, and that's a focus, or that's the goal at the end of the day.
Check out the full episode at chemicalengineeringguy.com/forward podcast. I'll see you there.